Sir, I just want to tell you, for the downward of this one, you have to down. For downward, you have to up this one, and downward for movement of up. For reducing downward, for down up, you have to reduce this, and for upward, you have to downward it. And for the movement of this, you have to increase from here back and side. It's a inserting of the wire. We have inserted like that. You have to insert it, and there is a portion for the for shoulder feeding area. For the shoulder forward sliders up and down. Up and down of the cylinder. For the downward up and down of the, you have to, from the back end cylinder is used. From the bike side, you have to use a cylinder. Here is a cylinder you have to use. Now up and down of this compressor is requirement. Okay, for back end we have used it. Here is the foot pedal. Here is the power plug. You have to use it. Now back parameter setting will come. You have to give a parameter of the shoulder delay time, up and down of the shoulder, blowing time for this one, air blowing time. Now, shoulder length, what you have to give a shoulder length, and shoulder length, shoulder's length, like that. You have to back like that. Yeah, manual pictures for the setting, like up and down of the cylinder. For the setting of the position, you have to set it. Then after, it's okay. Blowing cylinder blowing speed, speeding folder speed. For this, from the back end area, it will become. Thank you.